Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will start teaching you chapter 5 about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and I will start teaching you from page 55. Okay, let me first show you how to open MS PowerPoint. In my previous class, I have shown you that you have to click on this start button, then take this arrow up and then click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint and then open it. For showing you, I have already opened the PowerPoint here, and on page 55, you have the topic on top, that is to copy and paste slides. For this, you have to go here. You can see the copy and paste options, cut, copy, paste. You have to apply this from here and then do copy and pasting of slides. Then let me teach you applying a theme to an existing presentation. Now, in my previous video, I have shown you how to open presentation from the template. Template, you know, is a set of pre-designed presentation already stored in the computer. Today I will show you applying theme on a new presentation. Now see, theme includes a combination of colors, fonts means writing style, A4 NTS fonts, then graphics and other elements. On page 55, under the heading applying a theme to an existing presentation, you see line number 3. Even a presentation based on the blank presentation template has a theme. The Office theme is applied by default. By default means something which is set by the computer itself. It is preset and already stored in the computer. Whenever you do that, it comes as its default setting. This theme consists of a white background. So see, it is talking about this white background which you can see at the background of slide. This is a slide. See, again I am showing how to take slides. So these are the slides, and see, the background is white. And next, a basic set of colors. There is a color arrangement. This is the basic set of colors that you can see here. And the Calibri font. What is this Calibri font? See, I can show you that if you include text box from this option under insert, if you click on text box and then open a text box here, and if you try to write something, you will see it is the Calibri font. Can you all see, children? It is written Calibri. Okay, so this is the default font. Font means style of writing. This is the default font which you will find here in MS PowerPoint. So theme includes a white background, a very basic set of colors, and the Calibri font. That is the 5th line of the paragraph under the heading applying a theme to an existing presentation. Now let me show you how to apply design, how to apply different themes under design tab. This is the design tab, and these are the themes which you can apply for making your presentation very attractive. Home, insert, then comes the design, Under design tab, you have this various themes, as you can see. If I click on this, so many themes will open, and if I apply, see how the slide is changing their looks. You can apply any theme as per your choice. If you click on this drop down arrow, see, you can take up this blue one, you can take up this black or any one, this purple, this yellow, okay, as per your choice, as per your wish. To make your presentation look very bright, you can take up anything. In my previous video, I said that I will show you how to prepare a full ready complete presentation. Now, let me show how to do that. Okay, let me open and take a new PowerPoint presentation. I have already opened it, and from the beginning I will show you how to do that. Okay, under home option, you can take slides as many as you want. Let me here write MS PowerPoint by typing it from keyboard, MS, then space, then PowerPoint. I have written. If I want to change the default font, let me select and then select some other type of writing. See, it is applied on, it is already applied on M. Let me apply it on S as well to make it look a little different. Let me increase the size. Whichever way you like, you can make it look interesting and attractive for your viewers. You all know that this is used for making presentation for the audience. So the audience definitely want to see something very interesting from you people, no? So you can design it as per your choice to make it look very interesting. Follow my explanation and follow this arrow, what I am doing to make these changes. You will also automatically learn the steps. It is a very interesting topic, and I am doing these changes according to my own choice. Suppose, see, the background is white. Let me change the color of this background. Let me go to design tab. Then here you see this background styles. There is a small drop down arrow. I hope you can see background style drop down arrow. Click on it. It will show you the colors. You can take this color. Here what you want to write. Let me write the word presentation. See, I have written. You can adjust the size any way you like. So this is my first slide which is ready. Now under design tab, here you have the themes. If you click, so many themes will open. You can apply any theme of your choice. Let me take this yellow or this one. No. Yeah, I think this one according to me looks good, so I have taken this theme. I have selected this theme. Then in this slide, let me put some animation which is extra. This animation I will teach you of my own. This is not given in your book. So just beside design tab, I hope you can see the arrow. Follow the arrow please. This is the animation. You click on it. You give some animation. If you click on this drop down arrow, so many animations will come. Any one you can choose. The way the slide will appear, this is the animation. Animation decides the way how the slide will appear on the screen. Okay. Okay. Now let me insert some. This is my second slide. Let me insert some picture here. Click on this picture. Sample pictures. The sample picture has come. Then please open it. Open it. After selecting, see, selection means this sky color thing will come. It shows it is selected, then open. So many flower, animals, so many pictures appear. Let me take this one. After selecting, every time you have to select, children, keep this in your mind. Selection means take the arrow and click on it. So let me take this flower and then insert. So see, on the full second slide, this is inserted. Let me adjust the size. It is quite big. So I am trying to make it fit within the slide. I have taught you, you place this arrow in the square, small square, then double-headed arrow will come. Then pull it inside, drag outside to adjust the size. Okay. I have dragged it and okay, I have done. Sorry. Make it short. Now let me take another new slide. Under Home tab, this is New Slide option. Take any slide of your choice. Say for example, this is my third slide. And here maybe I want to insert some other picture. Say for example, I want to insert penguins. So let me select penguins, then insert, then see it is inserted. Animation. Okay, there is some problem. Let me delete this slide. This one also. Second slide also there is some problem. I want to delete. So let me delete. Let me make it fresh. Already two other slides I have taken. In the second slide, I want to insert some flower picture. Okay, this time let me select tulips. I have placed the arrow on top of that picture and then click insert. Now it is inserted. Now let me go to the third slide. Again go to insert. Insert button is just beside home. Okay, this is home, this is insert. Go over there, click picture. Let me take penguins, then insert. Animations already I have provided. Let me make this one sure. Yes, animation I have provided. Under design tab, already designs are given. You can choose later also designs. Any design you can choose and put. No, this design Okay, and then finally doing all these things, you go to slideshow. See here, slideshow, click on it. Then from the beginning you click. So see, it is moving one after the other. The slides are moving. So this is how to prepare an entire presentation using the slides. Page 57 of your book shows slide background, which I have already shown you. Let me show it to you again. See, under design tab is this one. Under design tab you have the background styles. You click on this background styles, different backgrounds will come. Whichever you choose, it will be applied like this. Okay, and if you click on this drop down arrow, there's so many colors appear. Colors, fonts, writing style also you can choose of your own. Then see, this is the background group, and here is one small arrow. If you click on this, solid, gradient, fill, this options you will get. You see the picture on page 57, figure 5.23. You have this thing, solid fill, gradient fill. Whichever option you choose, and then you put the colors, these colors will be applied. In this way also you can do. And themes come under design tab. These are the themes which you can change. So many themes are there in your computer. Any theme you can use of your own. And then how to run the slideshow? Go to this option. Go to this option, slideshow. After choosing slideshow, you click on from the beginning. From the beginning means from your first slide, the slideshow will start running. And at the end, you can save it. Finally, when it is complete, you can save it. And then click on this cross. It will ask you, do you want to save the changes you have made to presentation? If you want to save, you click on yes. If you don't want, click on no. So this is how to make a presentation complete, make a presentation ready in your Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope children you all have understood, because I have shown you practically, I have given you a demonstration. I hope you all have liked it. Please read the pages from 55 to the last page of this chapter, that is 58. Read quick recap. Read inside the chapter thoroughly. All the steps and all other important necessary informations are provided inside the chapter. Children, please learn it. Please go through the chapter thoroughly. I am not telling you to learn everything. Read the chapter thoroughly. I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching the video.